Hello and welcome to BENSWORX. Some of you with a keen eye may have noticed this sitting in the background of my pendant video. Now, because I had leftover resin and I didn't want to waste it, I just grabbed a wooden blank and I just shoved it straight into the cup. It's now gone nice and hard, so I'm going to show you how to turn this into a pendant just by using a belt sander and a drill press. So this will be the belt sander I'll be using today, but if you don't happen to have one like this, but you do have a belt sander like this, just turn it upside down in your vise, put a zip tie around the trigger there, and it'll work just as well. So now I'm going to take my blank and I'm going to run it on this disc here. Now the aim is to try and get it as close as you can to a teardrop. So there you have it. Now this all comes down to personal preference, so make sure you shape it just the way you want it. So now you got your pendant in roughly the shape that you want. The next thing I'm going to do is start fine tuning it. Now I'm going to do this in my drill press just here, but if you don't have a drill press but you've got a cordless drill, just put it in the end there, fasten your trigger down, it'll work just the same way. Now I'm going to start off with a bit of 120, 150 just to get the shape I want, and then I'll go up through the grits. So I've just got myself a little piece of rag here and I'm just going to wrap it around the top just to stop it getting too much damage from the chuck. Now I did leave this a little long, that way if we did get a bit of damage I can just cut it straight off. Now you don't have to over tighten this, just a nice firm squeeze should be enough just to hold it in there. Now I just keep this hand on the other side to the sandpaper just to help steady it because we don't want to snap it off. So I've just sanded that up to 1200. Now I'm going to break out the micro mesh and we'll shine it right up. So by making that curve shape on the end, really magnifies the wood inside. So before I cut this to its final length, I'm just going to take my drill with a 3mm drill bit, and I'm just going to put a hole right in the end. Now that I've got my hole drilled, I'm just going to cut it down to the size I want. Well, there you have the finished pendant. I really love the curvature and I love the way it magnifies the wood inside. It looks really cool. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I put new how-to and build videos out every couple of weeks. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Facebook. I'll leave links down below where you can find that. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this one, it really helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.